Hi, I'm Gonzalo Albiñana, and I want to welcome you to the Snowstorm Pro, Nieve. The Snowstorm Pro, Nieve, is my personal take on the classic snowstorm in China effect. After years of using it myself, using it with butterflies, using it with all kinds of confetti, for all the magicians, for stage productions, musicals, theaters, anywhere. You can use any fan, any size of load of confetti, you can use it anywhere and create truly impossible looking poetic effect. It doesn't really matter if you have ever presented the snowstorm effect before or no, or if you're already a pro. You can have a classical approach to the effect, you can create a new one, you can use our gimmick to have different impossible ways to produce the snow, and our gimmick will do all of the work for you, so you can focus yourself on create a truly magical, poetical effect. Unleash the storm of your magic. Welcome to Snowstorm Pro, Nieve.